The sculpture park is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. A public park scattered haphazardly with an array of statues, sculptures, and art installations. This spot is atop a cliff, making the view out over the sea a wonderful backdrop for photos, especially if you stand within the huge square sculpture. Perfect for Instagram. The park has only been open since 2014, making it an anomaly among the ancient structures usually found in Cyprus. Sculptors from all over the world contributed to the museum, with no shortage of artwork to look at. The total length of all trails in the park is about 2.5 kilometers. Therefore, it can be walked all over in 30 minutes in not hot weather.